everybody, welcome to our video. The flowers printed with TPE material in the last video are very popular with you. Today, I will print a common object in your life with TPE material again. Hot sun, everyone likes to go to the beach to play, so a pair of unique beach shoes will make you the most special person on the beach. Next, I will use Mido to print a must-have item in my life, a table lamp. Compared to the Mini Plus, the Mido is built in a larger length of 200 by 200 by 200 mm, allowing users to print larger objects. Mido also has an automatic leveling function, which says goodbye to traditional manual leveling. Practice leveling of 49 points, real-time leveling in the printing process, so that the printing process more smoothly, more accurate printing products. PETG is an environmentally friendly material with excellent impact resistance and transparency, so it's the best choice for printing lamp shade. Our table lamp is done and it works really well, right? That's the end of today's video, and if you have more fun to watch, please leave a comment below, and we will see you next week.